Well, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel today. So today, you guys, we have such a fabulous job, you guys. This job comes directly from Chime, okay? Chime is a payment processing company, you guys. Basically, they make credit cards and all of that good stuff. You guys, this job is so good. This job makes 161,000, and I'm gonna say $1,000, you guys. It is fully remote, no degree required for this job, you guys. Y'all, when I tell you the job is super simple, super easy, you guys can do this job. The only thing that you need is a rewritten resume. That is the only thing that is stopping you, that is holding you back from the career that you want, you guys. So go get my virtual resume rewrite session. And in the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, I literally tell you everything you need to say. This is a no work, no think virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. When I tell you, I give you everything. I give you your bios, I give you your skills and experience, I even retitle you guys, okay? So everything that you need to create a professional resume. It is all included within the virtual resume rewrite session. It does have that template, you guys. So it comes with a template, and it also comes with a tutorial, you guys. You guys, go pick up that virtual resume rewrite session, because that is the only thing that is holding you back from the life and the career that you want. It is a professional resume. And Sam is telling you guys what to say on your resume, you guys. It is super simple, super easy, and it'll literally take you 15 minutes for you to have a professional resume. So go get that virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, okay? All right, so let's get into the shout outs of the day. And these shout outs of the day, when I tell you that virtual resume rewrite session is what it is, it's turning, oh my God, it's turning you guys into superstars, and you guys are landing the jobs. I am so proud of you guys. I'm so excited for you. And even if you are in a career that you like, oh baby, switch, job hop so that they can pay you more. That's the whole that is the whole point of the virtual resume rewrite session. So if you are a student, or if you are transitioning into another career, or if you just want a higher paying career, Sam's got your back, okay? Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your resume in literally 10 to 15 minutes, and you ready to go, okay? All right, so let's get into the shout outs of the day. The shout outs of the day is Miss Alexis, you guys. Miss Alexis, let me tell you all about Miss Alexis, you guys. She used to be a store manager at the Dunkin' Donuts. That is how good that resume rewrite session is turning y'all into superstars, you guys. So when you see a manager in the Dunkin' Donuts, she might be, well, she's not Alexis, because when I tell you, Alexis got on out of there, okay? So Miss Alexis, she got her job. She landed her job for $175,000, you guys. 107. Oh my God, Miss Alexis, I am so happy to hear your story. She just let me hear her whole story. When I tell you that virtual resume rewrite session does the trick, because I'm telling y'all everything that you need to say. It is a copy and paste kit, y'all. A copy and paste kit. Sam got your back, okay? So we got Mr. Malik, you guys. Mr. Malik, he just got a job. He used to be a substitute teacher, y'all. He used to be a substitute teacher, and now he is a program manager working at one of the Fortune 500 companies. When I tell you, a lot of my clients are getting into these Fortune 500 companies. I'm going to tell y'all some of the names, like Deloitte. Some have got into Citigroup. I am so excited for you guys. Like, I am so excited for you guys. And then we got Mr. Manuel, you guys. Mr. Manuel, he used to be a tiler. So the guys that put the tile in your house, he said he did not want to do that anymore. And when I tell you, Mr. Manuel, he got him a job as a project manager for $154,000, you guys, because he rewrote his resume. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session, y'all, and get to work. Because when I tell you that virtual resume rewrite session is that good, I absolutely 100% mean it, you guys. Okay, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. And then the inspiration of the day. So the inspiration of the day is, I could be whoever I want to be. I could be whoever I want to be, and I'm not going to allow anything or anybody deter me from the person that God is making me to be. Because, and that comes from my own, and I'll keep on telling you guys, that one comes from my own personal inspiration. Because a lot of times people want you to be who they want you to be. But let me tell you, God always knows who you are. He always has a path for you. What I'm going to tell you guys is to keep going. Keep believing in yourself. Keep knowing that you can do whatever you want. And you know what? A lot of us are going through so many tests, trials, and things that will bring us down. But what I'm going to keep telling you is keep your head up, keep going, keep trusting, keep believing God. And that is what you're going to put in the comments, that God has a path for me. I might not see the path right now, but I know and I trust that my God has a path for me. So that's the inspiration of the day, you guys. Like I said, y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. Nothing is too big for you. Nothing is too hard for you. You can do this. When I tell you this is 2023, this is your year of abundance, you guys. You might be going through a bump in the road right now, but this is your year of abundance. And I want you to put that in I want your year of abundance to show in your resume. Show them how good you are. Show them that you can do this job. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. Get to showing these people that you're the greatest thing out there, okay? All right, so let's get into let's get into the job, because when I tell you this job is so good, it is so good, you guys. So let's get into this job right now. All right, so Chime is hiring for a senior program manager, you guys. And let's get into the role. You guys, I'm going to tell you this even before we start this. Use the resume rewrite session to rewrite yourself as a program manager, okay? Rewrite your skills as a program manager. I give you your bio. I give literally with the virtual resume rewrite session, take yourself 15 minutes is all you need to cut, copy, and paste from all of the information that I give you and apply for this job. The only thing that is standing between you and this job is a professional resume, and Sam has already done your resume for you guys. Cut, copy, and paste. Tweak it a little bit from your experience and get to work, okay? I want y'all applying for this job right now, because when I tell you, I already given you everything that you need to tell them you have done. I don't care if you don't have experience. I don't care if you think this job is out of your league. Use that virtual resume rewrite session. Put that resume in and go be a champion for your family, okay? Go get this job. Go land this job, okay? Because this job is just too good. All right, so Chime. It says, as a senior program manager in member experience, you will play a key role in creating a high quality support experience for members. You will develop deep expertise on the process and be responsible for driving continuous process improvement initiatives with a particular focus on member satisfaction and agent accuracy metrics. Through data-driven insights, you will develop recommendations for process improvements, new process standards, and aging tooling improvements that enable a more frictionless, consistent experience, and increased member satisfaction. You will operationalize these recommendations through strong project management, you guys. Project management. And as you guys know, my virtual resume rewrite session, okay? It is set up for you to be a program or a project manager. Those are the jobs that basically you don't have to have an education. All you have to do is show them that you have the experience leading teams, having leadership skills, and baby, you got the job. And that's why I did it the way that I did it. So when you get up to the virtual resume rewrite session, under every skill that I put on there, you're going to have experience, okay? This is to show them that you do have the experience already. You do have the leadership skills. I don't even care if you've never done any of this in your entire life. Use that virtual resume rewrite session to put it on your resume, because what they are looking for, they're looking for skills, you guys, and I have already given you the skills, okay? All right. It says you will operationalize these recommendations through strong project management in partnerships with operation, risk, product, and others. The base salary offered for this role and level of experience. You see how they didn't say education, they said level of experience. I have already, in the virtual resume rewrite session, I have already pre-written your experience for you. All you have to do is go, cut, copy, and paste, and you're ready to go, okay? It says for this job starts off at $116,000, you guys. $116,000, you guys. So you're looking probably at about $9,000 per month. Per month, $9,000 per month for this job, okay? It says, and it goes up to 161,000. So even at the base, you're going to be at almost $9,000 for this job a month. But it does go up with the experience. Use all of the experience that I give you on the virtual resume rewrite session so that you guys are able to say that you have that experience, okay? Because we're not aiming for you to get the base pay. We don't do base pays over here, okay? We do high paying jobs. We do the most, okay? That's what I want y'all to put in the comment section. We do the most, okay? All right. It says full-time employees are also eligible for a bonus, competitive equity package, and benefits. The actual base salary offered may be higher depending on your location, skills, qualification, and experience. And when I tell you guys, I already give you the skills and experience. I'm giving you A1, top-notch, high earning skills and experience. There should be no reason, you guys, if you use the virtual resume rewrite session, you're going to look like you've had that experience, okay? Go get the rewrite session. All right, so let's get into the role and what they expect of you on this job. So let's go, you guys. Okay, it says in this role, you can expect to own and maintain support process documentation, knowledge based library, standard operating procedures, act as a subject matter expert on the member experience, including variants based on channel and triggered automation communications. So basically, you're just going to be a a subject matter expert on operations, okay? And I know a lot of you are saying, well, that sounds too hard, Sam. Listen here, they do, when I tell you, 99% of these jobs do on the job training, you guys. So, hey, we're just trying to get you in the door, in the seat, so that you can get trained for the job. Do not be afraid of these six-figure jobs. Do not be afraid of them, okay? It says be responsible for seek CSAT related metrics, continuously analyze data and identify areas of friction in the member experience, develop and share compelling database insights about the member experience with product risks and other organizations, partner with vendor operations, quality learning, content, and others to identify agent improvement opportunities. Team up to execute on those opportunities. Support launch readiness efforts for new products, features. Work closely with finance, workforce management, vendor operation, and others to ensure operational readiness. Contribute to a culture of trust, collaboration, and commitment to excellence, you guys. This job is super simple, okay? So they're going to train you on the job how their operations work. They're already going to train you, you guys. Like I said, you need a professional, action packed resume so that you are able to get your foot in the door on this job so that you are able to land this job, okay? All right. Let's go down to thrive in this role, you have to. So let's go down to that. These are basically qualifications, okay? These are basically the qualifications. So let's go dive deep into that. And when I tell you super simple, super easy, I mean it. So let's go. All right, so it says to thrive in this role, you will have 8 years experience in business operations, product operations, product management, program management, business consulting, finance, or similar analytical roles. Ability to leverage data to inform and support critical decisions. Candidates will have functional SQL and data visualization, experience working with cross-functional teams such as product managers, data analysts, operation analysts in building operation processes and systems, preference for candidates with deep experience in process management and continuous improvement, excellent communication and presentation skills, ability to effectively identify, prioritize, and handle multiple work streams simultaneously in a dynamic and rapidly changing environment, highly motivated self-starter with a desire to grow and learn, you guys. So when I tell you, every one of those skills is listed within the virtual resume rewrite session. Skills and experience. So when I tell you, I don't care. I do not care if you do not have any experience. I don't care if you're just coming out of college. I don't care if you have the experience. You still need the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your resumes. You have to update your resumes. You have to refresh your resumes. You have to give these people exactly what they want, okay? Give them a professional resume that is updated with all the skills that we use today, you guys. And if you do not have experience, say you're a college student and you don't have experience, get that virtual resume rewrite session and rewrite that resume, okay? I want you guys in these jobs, okay? Ever since the pandemic, these jobs have opened up for you guys. Take advantage of these jobs and stop doubting yourself because you have everything that you need, and Sam is here to coach you along the way. You guys have such a blessed, amazing, grateful, but productive Labor Day, okay? We do not take Labor Day off. We continue working because we got plans, baby. We got plans, okay? So you guys have such an amazing, wonderful day today. And I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.